In November 1956, 60,000 longshoremen went on strike in ports along the East Coast and Gulf Coast of the United States. The strike lasted 112 days and had devastating impact on the economy.
The East Coast longshoremen strike that has paralyzed shipping from Maine to Texas is costing an estimated $25 million a day as the piers lie idle. 60,000 workers walked out after a new contract with the Shipping Association was rejected. Union leaders say the men misunderstood the contract. The men say that their job security is threatened. It is hoped that there will be another vote soon so that goods piled up on the waterfront can be moved to destinations abroad. Meanwhile, people arriving from abroad and from southern cruises find themselves plunged into hard work as their ships dock. With no baggage handlers, it's up to the passengers to do the best they can. There's nothing like wrestling with a hand truck to top off a nice, quiet vacation cruise. The two seamen's unions decided not to cross the longshoremen's picket lines, so all ships flying the American flag are idle. One of these is the Argentina, which was scheduled to sail on a cruise with 180 passengers. Only a skeleton maintenance crew mans the ghost ship. The flagship United States canceled its transatlantic sailing. Another longshoreman's vote could bring a quick end to the tie-up. A long strike would have economic reverberations that would echo round the world.